You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 73/8. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7/8 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the m into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. And so the final result is m equals 73/8.